Okay, the next type of problem that we're going to look at is the delta H of formation. And there's also, we can do it for delta H, we can do it for delta S, or delta G. The values are in the back of the book, but the trick is understanding what do these little symbols mean. So F means formation, and circle here also means formation. Okay, all of these things are at 298 Kelvin. Okay, that little circle actually means something. It's the formation at 298 Kelvin. So what we have in problem number 65 is write the separate reactions for the formation. So the formation is to form 1 mole of products from its elements. Okay, so for example, if we have to form H2O, its elements would be H2 plus O2. Normally we would balance this with a 2 here and a 2 here, but formation means making only 1 mole of it. So to balance it, we're going to use half of the O2. Okay, so that's the only trick. If you're asked to write an equation from its elements, you might have to use halves to make it work. So let's try one more. We had PbSO4. Its elements would be Pb plus S plus O2, and we need 2 of them. Then you're done. Okay? Formation from the elements. And then in problem number 71 and 73, we're asked to use the data from the back of the book to solve from the H of formation. So here's where you get to use sum of delta H products times the moles minus sum of delta H reactants times the moles. Doesn't it look so cool? You're so smart because you know what that means. Okay, so what we end up doing in 71, I'm going to just cheat and show you the key here. Okay, in 71 we have, 6 for the H2O times its delta H, 3 for the NO times its delta H plus 1 for the AlCl3 and 1 for the Al2O2 minus 3 times the NH4ClO. And notice that the aluminum is not there. That's because it is in its standard, how we find it in the universe. We find it as aluminum solid, so it doesn't have a delta H value. So you just do products minus reactants. And then in 73, we know what the final answer is, and we don't know for one of the substances, so it's just like regular algebra that you're solving for X. Okay, thanks.